Hello and welcome, Shiners. I'm a cleaning business professional with over 15 years of hands-on experience, and I want to tell you something important. I started exactly where you are right now. No experience, no fancy tools, just a strong desire to create something of my own. I still remember my first job clearly. I was nervous, uncertain, and all I had was determination and a willingness to learn. I even offered to clean a neighbor's house for free, just to prove to myself that I could do it. That one simple action became the first step toward what is now a thriving, profitable business. Today, I help others start their own cleaning businesses, because I know what's possible. The demand for cleaning services continues to grow, and the best part is, you don't need a lot of money or experience to get started. With a few essential tools, a plan, and the right mindset, you can begin building something real. My goal is to guide you, step by step, so you not only learn the business, but feel empowered to take action. If I did it, so can you. And I'm here to show you how. This could be the life-changing fresh start you've been looking for. Step 1. Plan your business. Yes, you can do this. Plan and prepare. First, decide what cleaning services you want to offer and who your ideal clients are. Will you clean homes, offices, or maybe specialize in move-out cleanings? Pick a starting focus that fits your schedule. For example, many parents start with residential house cleaning so they can work during school hours or weekends. The great news is, little to no experience is needed to begin. You don't need special certificates or a fancy degree. As long as you can make a space sparkle, people will be happy to pay you. Research your local market. Take a quick look at online listings or ask around to see what people need. Are busy neighbors looking for weekly house cleanings? Are nearby small businesses needing an after-hours office cleaner? Identify a demand that you can fill. Next, choose a business name. It can be as simple as Neat Freak Cleaning Services or something catchy like Sparkling Homes Co. This makes it feel real and professional. Jot down a basic business plan, just a one-pager on what services you'll offer, your target area, and how often you can work. Don't worry, this isn't a 50-page MBA plan, just a roadmap for yourself. Planning ahead a bit will give you confidence and direction. Remember, every successful business starts with this moment, just deciding to go for it. Step 2. Get legit. Legal stuff made simple. Handle the legal basics. This sounds scary, but it's actually pretty straightforward. You want to make your new cleaning gig a real business. Not only does this protect you, it also shows clients you're professional. Register your business name with your local authorities. Many places let you operate as a sole proprietor, or you can file an LLC for extra protection. Check if your city or state requires any license or permit for cleaning services. Usually it's minimal, but it's good to be sure. Also, consider getting liability insurance. Why? Because it gives you and your clients peace of mind. For a low monthly cost, you're covered if, say, an accident happens or something gets damaged. Don't let the paperwork scare you. Plenty of people with no business background do this every day. If you're unsure where to start, your city's small business website or a quick call to a local business office can guide you. This step is all about setting yourself up for success from day one. When you have that paperwork in hand, your business license, maybe an insurance policy, you'll feel an incredible confidence boost. Now, you're not just someone who cleans on the side, you're a business owner. How cool is that? Plus, being official lets you open a business bank account and keep your finances organized from the start. It's one more step toward that entrepreneurial freedom you're after. Step 3. Equip yourself with essentials, tools and supplies. Get your tools and supplies. The great thing about a cleaning business is how low the startup costs are. You don't need heavy machinery or an office, just basic cleaning supplies and a can-do attitude. Start with the essentials: a good vacuum cleaner, a mop, buckets, all-purpose cleaners, glass cleaner, microfiber cloths, a broom and dustpan, rubber gloves, and maybe a caddy to carry your stuff. Most of this you might already have at home, or you can pick them up cheaply at a store. In fact, One entrepreneur started her cleaning business with just $100 of supplies from a dollar store, and she later grew that business to over 6 figures a year. Talk about getting a return on investment. The point is, don't overthink the equipment. Grab the basics and you're ready. If you're on a tight budget, start small. You can even ask your first clients to provide certain supplies. Some clients prefer you use their vacuum or their special cleaners anyway. As you earn money, you can reinvest a bit into better gear. Oh, and pro tip, consider wearing a simple uniform, even if it's just a clean t-shirt or apron with your business name or a solid color. It makes you look professional, and clients will instantly trust you more. Finally, even with no experience, you can quickly learn cleaning techniques online. There are tons of YouTube tutorials on efficient cleaning methods, how to tackle tough stains, etc. So if you're worried, I've only cleaned my own home, how do I clean for others? Spend a couple evenings brushing up on best practices. You'll feel ready to handle anything, and you'll work faster and better, which means happier customers and more profit. Step 4. Set your services and pricing. Money talk. Figure out your services and pricing. This is where we decide how much to charge and what exactly you'll do for that money. First, list the tasks you'll include in a standard cleaning. For example, vacuuming, mopping, dusting surfaces, cleaning bathrooms and kitchens, etc. Be clear on what's included in a normal session and what might cost extra, like deep cleaning the oven, cleaning windows, or doing laundry. Having clear packages or offerings will make you look more professional and prevent misunderstandings with clients later. Now, pricing. The big question. How much should I charge? Start by researching local rates. Check what other independent cleaners or cleaning companies charge in your area. You might find, for instance, that cleaners charge around $25 to $40 per hour for basic house cleaning. It varies by location. If you're brand new, you can price yourself slightly below the competition to attract your first clients, but be careful not to undervalue your work. You deserve to be paid fairly for your time and effort. A good strategy is to decide on an hourly rate that covers your costs and pays you a decent wage. For example, you might aim for $30 an hour. If a typical home takes you 3 hours, that's $90 for the job. As you get faster, which you will with practice, your effective hourly earnings go up. Some cleaners prefer flat rates, like a fixed fee per house or per square foot, instead of hourly. This can be great once you know how long jobs take you. Flat rates give clients price certainty and reward you for efficiency. In the beginning, hourly might be simpler until you get a feel for it. You can always adjust as you learn. Also, consider offering a special deal for first-time customers to lure them in. For example, a one-time introductory discount or an extra service for free. Instead of undercutting all your prices, a one-time offer can show people the value of your work. Once they see how clean their space can be, they'll happily hire you again at your normal rate. So set those prices confidently. You're providing a valuable service. Remember, everyone needs their place cleaned sooner or later. Charge what you're worth, and don't be afraid to adjust as you go. If you're asking yourself, can I really do this? The answer is a bold yes. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a plan, the right tools, and the courage to take that first step. That's exactly why I created the Cleaning Business Starter Kit, a free, powerful resource packed with the same tools I used when I started from scratch. Inside, you'll get my proven checklists, pricing guide, and the exact script that helped me land my very first client. It's 100% free, and it's waiting for you in the description. Download it now and start building something that's truly yours. Your journey begins today. If you're feeling excited about starting your cleaning business, let me know. Drop a comment below saying, "I'm starting today." I'd love to cheer you on. And if you're learning something here, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. This is just the beginning of our cleaning business series. Now, let's get back into it. Step 5. Find your first clients. Marketing and hustle. Get your first customers. Now that you're set up, it's time to find clients who need your cleaning magic. This part is all about letting people know about your new business. Start with your own network. Tell friends, family, neighbors, and coworkers that you're offering cleaning services. You might be surprised. Your coworker might hate cleaning and jump at the chance to hire you for a weekly session, or your neighbor might want to help support your new venture. Don't be shy to post on your personal social media that you're available for hire. Word of mouth is powerful in this business, especially within local communities. Maybe offer a friends and family discount for the first job to get some momentum. Next, expand your reach. Create a simple Facebook page or Instagram for your business where you can list your services and share before and after photos as you get jobs with permission. Join local Facebook groups or community boards. Many towns have a community marketplace or a local moms group, and let folks know you're available. You can say something like, "Hi neighbors, I'm starting a home cleaning service, affordable, reliable, and I have some slots open on weekends. Message me for info." This friendly, personal approach can get you your first few clients quickly. Also, print a few flyers or business cards. You can pin flyers on community bulletin boards, think libraries, cafes, grocery stores, and leave cards with anyone who shows interest. When you do land your first cleaning job, give it your absolute best. Treat that first client like gold. Arrive on time or early. Be friendly and professional, and do a thorough job making their place sparkle. Afterwards, ask them for a review or testimonial if they're happy. Positive reviews really help build credibility. You can politely say, "I'm so glad you're pleased with the service. I'm just starting out, so if you don't mind leaving a quick review on my Facebook Google page, it would help a lot." Most happy customers will oblige. Reviews and word-of-mouth referrals will start rolling in more clients. You can even incentivize referrals. For example, tell clients, "If you refer me to a friend and they book a cleaning, you get 20% off your next cleaning." This way, your satisfied customers become your sales team. It's an awesome feeling to see your schedule filling up because people love your work. Step 6. Deliver wow service and scale up. As your client list grows, focus on consistency and quality. Always do an amazing job. This leads to repeat business and a great reputation. If you stay reliable and maintain high cleaning standards, you'll find that clients stick with you long term. Some might even book you for months in advance, and they'll happily recommend you to others. Over time, you might find your schedule completely full, a great problem to have. At that point, you can consider scaling up. This might mean hiring a part-time helper or employee to take on more clients without burning out. When you're ready to hire, look for people who are trustworthy and detail-oriented. After all, they will represent your company. Train them on how you like things done. You can gradually shift into more of a manager role, where you handle client communication and scheduling while your team handles more of the cleaning. This is how you grow from a one-person operation to a full-fledged business. Scaling could also mean expanding your services, maybe adding commercial cleaning, like small offices, once you have some experience, or offering specialized services like carpet shampooing if you invest in a machine. But remember, don't rush scaling. It's perfectly okay to remain a solo operation if that fits your life better. You define what success looks like. It could be an extra $500 a month on the side, or growing into a six-figure company with a team. The key is, this business is flexible. You're the boss, so you get to decide how far you take it. And here's a crucial part of scaling. Continue to streamline and professionalize. Little things like using a scheduling app or simple software, even Google Calendar or Excel, to track bookings, or setting up a Google My Business profile so you appear in local search results can make a big difference as you grow. Step by step, you're turning your once tiny side hustle into a stable, potentially life-changing income source. Now, let's talk about you. Maybe you're thinking, "This sounds great in theory, but I'm still nervous." I hear you. Lack of time, fear of starting over, self-doubt. These are totally normal feelings. You might be juggling a 9-to-5 job or the kids' schedules and wondering, how on earth can I fit this in? The answer is, start small and flexible. One of the huge benefits of a cleaning business is that you set your own schedule. If you can only handle 2 clients on the weekend to start, that's fine. 2 can become 4, and so on. Fear of starting over? Remember, it is never too late to start. People of all ages and backgrounds have built successful businesses. You don't have to become a $1 million enterprise if you don't want to. Success is what you need it to be. Maybe for you, success is earning enough to quit that job you hate, or having extra income so you can take your family on a nice vacation each year, or just regaining a sense of control over your life and time. Think about your why, your motivation. Do you want to spend more time with your children? Do you want financial independence or a flexible schedule to pursue other passions? Keep that why in mind whenever doubt creeps in. Every business, including the big ones, started with a single step. You've already taken the first steps by learning this stuff today. The next step is to take action. Even if it's just making that Facebook post or printing a few flyers, action conquers fear. You'll gain confidence with each small win. Your first client, your first 5-star review, your first $100 earned on your own terms. Each of those will prove to you that you are absolutely capable of building this business. You've got the plan, you've got the inspiration, now it's time to make it happen. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Nida Shine for more practical tips and motivational success stories. We'd love to hear from you. Comment below if you're excited to start your cleaning business, or if you have any questions or doubts we can help with. Remember, you can also share this video with anyone who's been talking about starting a side hustle or new business. It might just inspire them too. And hey, if you want a handy free checklist or resource guide to kickstart your cleaning business, check the description box. We've got you covered with some bonus help. Thank you so much for watching. Your new journey could begin today, so don't let anything hold you back. As the saying goes, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Go out there and shine with your cleaning business. Subscribe for more content that empowers you to take charge of your life. Until next time, keep believing in yourself. You've got this. Now, let's get cleaning and make your dreams a reality.